Slow Tone Productions.
Hey baby girl, sorry for all the things I've done. I didn't mean to hurt you and anyone. I know I'm wrong and I'm so sorry for that. I know I hurt you and I feel so bad. It's just that my love for you is so great. I just want to talk with you. I just can't wait. Please forgive me for the things I did and I said. I didn't mean it, I just messed up my head. You are so special and one of a kind that I could look forever and never find. For hate and anger will not get you there. And though you say that you just don't care, maybe then you can start to repair the past into something strong that will mend and last. But I hope that this heart of mine is forgiven. Promise you'll never see that part of me again.
Sorry I tried, sorry I lied. I promise I will not miss for your entire life. So sorry for this every fight. I'm sorry I can't do things right. I'm sorry I make you sad, I'm sorry I make you mad. Sorry for all the stress, I'm sorry for all the mess. I'm hoping that you will forgive me. Forgive me, forgive me.
Ito ang pagkakataon upang aking mabawi mga pagkakamali na hindi sana nangyari, hindi sana nagbago, hindi sana naglaho, at hindi sana nasayang ang pagsabi mo ng oo. Aminado ako, malaking bagay ang nasayang. Kung hindi kita mahal, bakit ako manghihinayang? Pero bakit ganun? Hanggang ngayon hindi nagbago. Kahit na anong gawin, ako pa rin talaga ang talo. At ngayon ko na nalaman, totoo ang sabi-sabi. Gagawa kang kasalanan na sa huli ang pagsisisi. Kaya sumulat ako at nagbabaka sakali na sa paghingi ng tawad ay mababalik ang dati. Alam ko mang mali pero tanggap ko sa sarili. 2 taong pinagsamahan, ako lamang ang bumali. Pasensya ka na, dito ko lamang dinaan. Walang lakas ng loob, sabihin ng harapan.
Sorry I tried, sorry I lied. I promise I will not miss for your entire life. So sorry for this every fight. I'm sorry I can't do things right. I'm sorry I make you sad, I'm sorry I make you mad. Sorry for all the stress, I'm sorry for all the mess. I'm hoping that you will forgive me. Forgive me, forgive me.
Now I realize what I've done, ngayon nalaman ko na. Mahal ko yan, I want you to be here and stay with me. Just hold my hand for you to see na hindi ako yung lalaki na kaya kang saktan. Gusto ko malaman mo na ikaw lang nilalaman. Pasensya na kung may nagawa man akong mali. That's why I wrote this song to say sorry.
Ikaw walang iba, nasabi ko sinta pero nagkamali ako. Napatawad mo na ba? Hindi man perfecto pero sana mahal mo pa. Kailan kaya makakasama ang tinawag kong diwata na minsan ko nang nadaya hanggang sa maging malaya. Patawad, sana ay nakikinig ka pa. Ikalawang pagkakataon hinahangad ko pa.
Uy, pasensya na.
Sorry I
Alam ko
tried,
nakagawa ko ng
sorry I
mali.
lied. I promise I will
Pinagsisihan ko lahat ng to. Kaya sana mapatawad mo. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin pag tuluyan ka pang lumayo. Kaya sana pakinggan mo tong kantang to. Para sa'yo to. Ayaw mo naman akong palsilin eh. Kaya dito ko sasabihin lahat ng paghingi ng tawad sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo.